Good Monday morning. I hope you guys had a great Easter weekend. The weather was beautiful yesterday, and we're going to keep that trend today with a very nice day today. Warm temperatures. We'll see any rain chances this week being very hit and miss, and as we look ahead, temperatures are going to remain very pleasant. There will be a cold front coming in late tonight and early tomorrow, bringing some slightly cooler temperatures, but you can see temperatures this morning as we're waking up. It's close to 50 degrees, but we are going to warm up significantly as we go through today. A high temperature this afternoon, mid to perhaps upper 70s out there, partly cloudy skies. There'll be a slight shower chance late tonight, early tomorrow, mainly in the form of a few sprinkles, but otherwise enjoy Tuesday, a slightly cooler day compared to today, but still around 70. Going to be a pretty nice forecast going into the mid part of this week. We'll keep Wednesday dry. Any rain we think is going to stay south of us here, so we'll keep the forecast pretty quiet Wednesday and Thursday. Temperature-wise, very pleasant, pretty close to normal to slightly above normal here. Friday looks very nice as well, so a lot of nice days in the forecast this week to get some chances to get outside, maybe go for a walk out there as we go throughout the next several days. Our next chances of rain, or better chances of rain, will probably come in as we go into next Saturday, late in the day, and into next Sunday. But boy, look at the temperatures consistently looking pretty pleasant as we go throughout the next 7 days here. That's all I have for your update today. Enjoy today's great weather. It's going to be a good one. Hope you guys have a great Monday.